Today I'm going to show you how I made a data tracker with Makey and Scratch. So you can see that the number is 31 right now for how many 5th grade students have come to the library. I'm going to go ahead and click the green flag, and now you can see that number is set to 0. My switch is connected to Makey. I have space here to this key press and earth plugged in at the bottom. If I press them both with my fingers, you can see it light up and 5th grade increases to 1. But what I'm really doing is I've made a switch so that every time a student slaps the switch, it will make a connection and the Makey will count that key press. You can see space is going off and the numbers increase from 5 to 6 here. But ideally, I'm going to want to have this set up where the kids aren't going to see my switch. They're going to see this post-it note and it's going to have a 5 on it. And they're just going to come in, and when they come in the library, they're going to tap it and it's going to increase. And as it increases, if you want to keep track every day of how many 5th graders come, you'll tap F. And that's going to add the total from before. So we had 31 and now we have 41. Now if we want to go back to counting, we're going to hit the green flag and it's going to reset to 0. Now I've also added something in Scratch in case your students come up and they press a little too long or a little too hard. You can see it's increasing by 1, but I'm holding it down and it's going kind of slowly. You can see I'm pressing 5, 6, it's going up, but that's because I've added a wait 1 second block in Scratch. So I'm going to show you really quick. I'm going to go off screen and show you how that code helps slow down the counter. So here in Scratch, I'm going to drag my wait 1 second off of this when space clicked. Because right now if I'm pressing space and I wait a second, you can see it goes slowly. But if I take space off and now I press space bar, my number is increasing phenomenally. I'm already up to number 47. So I'm going to put wait 1 second back, and I can even change this to half a second if I'd like. And now you can see it's kind of a more normal clicker. So adjust the number as you want and you've got your own data tracker. The full lesson and instructions for building your own data tracker are available in Makey Labs. Go there now to find out how to make your own.